Hi sewing friends, I'm Karina. This is just a very short video, a message from me. I hope you're having a wonderful time in the holidays, even though it's a very different year, and I'm sure most of us are celebrating the holidays in a different way, ways that we haven't probably done before, maybe in smaller groups. For those of you who are watching and are spending the holidays alone, I have you in my thoughts, and I'm sending you a huge virtual hug all the way here from Brazil. We have had a different Christmas this year, and it's been nice in a few ways. For us in our little family, my husband, my son and myself, it's been the first time that we've been together, just the three of us, for a very long time, since 2013. We didn't even have a Christmas tree because we were never actually at home for the holidays. We would always travel to Chile. We are never living in our own country, so it was a time of the year to go there and spend time with both of our families. Very different now. We had to buy a tiny emergency tree. I did not want to spend a lot of resources on buying a really good tree because I'm just really hoping that we're not going to be here next year for the holidays, that we'll be back at home with our families. So I'll just show you the little tree we bought. It's very tiny. It's 20 something inches tall. Very small, just a few lights, a few little ornaments. And we were ready to go. We had a lovely time last night, just the three of us. I'm just very blessed for our little family and happy that we've been able to stay healthy along this 2020. I'm just sending all of you all the well wishes in the world for this holiday period. I really hope you're making the best out of the circumstances. I really hope we can take the time to find all the positive things and all the blessings and highlight those above the negative things that are happening right now. If you're wondering what are these little red fruits behind me, this is a tree called acerola, and it's a tree that is available here in Brazil in this area. And you get these little fruits. They look like cherries, but they aren't cherries. They are very acid. They've got a really high vitamin C component. And the way that people eat these is you make it a juice. So you just wash them and you blend them and then you put them in a strainer. It's gorgeous. It tastes a little bit like apple, but like green apple, a bit acid. It's very nice, and it's packed. We just have to come and collect them all. It's always a blessing to have this tree with all these beautiful red fruits. We've really enjoyed it. I thought I'd share. Just a little short message from me. I will post another video today, a short video that's less than a minute long about a pattern that's on sale. I don't want to put this into this video. What you can expect from me for the next couple of days are 2 videos next week. I'm taking it easy at the end of the year just for my own health. And I have also some deadlines brewing that I'm also working on in the background. But expect some videos from me next week. I am excited about them, about the things I'm going to sew that are going to be not complex, but very beautiful. And I'm also editing a huge video that I do every year, which contains a roundup of all the makes of 2020. So it's got all the twirls, all the makes, and you can watch there every single thing I made this year. They tend to get longer every year, and I tend to sew more every year that goes by. That's just the way it is. So I do have some work going on in the background. I do feel that these short days that I haven't been sewing have been a blessing for my body and for my mind. Just to focus on the family and being with them is always super important, and yeah, it's a special time of the year to do that sort of thing. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching this short little video. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.